What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Noelani and we bring everything beauty brought to you by the queen herself. And if you're just joining us again, my love, how are you? It's so good to see you. Today I'm doing a story time for you guys, my first ever story time, so I hope you guys freaking like it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's get into it. So, I want to say where this story actually started. So, I'd have to throw it back to mid-May. I'd say May 12th, around then was T-Mobile Tuesday. And on I don't know if you're not a T-Mobile customer, then this don't have nothing to do with you, but us T-Mobile customers are gifted from our wonderful carrier T-Mobile every single Tuesday, baby. And honestly, so you download the app, right, and it has all these offers in it for that week. Every week there's new offers, and on this week me and my mom found that there was free 2-stack IHOP pancakes. Now if you know me, you know I love me some IHOP. I love breakfast, okay? Anything breakfast, I'm here for it. So when they said free IHOP pancakes, all that happened in my head was, that's free pancakes. I throw in an extra $2. Now I got bacon, and then maybe an extra $3 I can get a potato. Babe, that's $5 for a whole breakfast. I'm going. So y'all hear me when I tell you the closest IHOP is about an hour, 45 minutes away, and asked me if I cared. So anyway, me and my mom saved the little reward bonus thing and got on the road to IHOP literally the next morning. We made a little day out of it. There's a mall over there. So whatever, we got to go and have a nice little day. And we got some IHOP breakfast. I feel like it worked out wonderfully. So me being me, or the want-to-be influencer that I am, I made a whole TikTok story of the whole thing, recorded the whole day and how we spent it, and basically tagged T-Mobile and thanked them for the free pancakes, because without y'all we wouldn't have had that food, so shout out to you. So then obviously T-Mobile saw my video on TikTok and followed my TikTok, and I was just like, so what y'all trying to do? You know what I'm saying? And we feeling froggy, you trying to collab with me. What y'all trying to do? Let me know. And I posted a video. I literally posted a video of me just green screening over them following me. It was like, so what's up? Y'all trying to collab on a project? Y'all trying to, what's up? I honestly didn't think they were actually gonna do it, Now, I feel like I have to let y'all know that when I posted the video of them following me, I really didn't even expect anything from it, I didn't expect nothing to come of it. I didn't even expect them to follow me, to be honest. I just wanted to say thank you for my pancakes. They're good. They're blueberry. The day that I posted that second video is the day that they reached out in my DMs on TikTok and was like, thank you so much for showing your love for Magenta, blase, blase, blah. They're like, we saw your video with you and your mom, and we want to send you guys a care package as a thank you. Before I could even respond, I'm talking to my man like, boo, a care package. A care package. What kind? What's it gonna have? My mind just started going, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sending me a new phone? What's up? I'll take it. Obviously, they asked for an address where they could send me this care package. They asked if I wanted a pride or a self-care package, and y'all know me being me, I chose self-care for obvious reasons. Now, I'm not about to sit here and turn down a care package. That would be stupid. And that's one thing I am not, baby, is stupid. So they asked for my address, and they asked for my mom's name so they could actually send her one too. Because, whatever we get, Mama Dukes get too. Now, I want to be clear. I had no clue what was inside these care packages. They're very vague when they reached out and offered them. They just said it's going to be a self-care theme or a pride theme. So honestly, I didn't give a damn what was coming in it. They could have sent me a box of candles and I would have been happy as hell. Okay, so now obviously at this point I'm freaking stuck in the mailman, you know what I mean? They didn't really tell me exactly when our packages were gonna come. They just told me that they were coming, you know, that we should watch out and they'll arrive and that there'd be two of them. I'm gonna say it was like a good week before anything came. Like, I was like, you know, when you close to forgetting that you even ordered something, and the worst part was I didn't even order it. Like, so I didn't even know the shit was coming. So then I come home from shopping one day to two big old black boxes on my porch, and of course I immediately knew that was them. These were from T-Mobile. So I obviously called my mom faster than the speed of light to get her ass over to my crib so that we could open these packages together and see what new stuff we got. Like, I obviously could have opened it with her because I FaceTimed her. Could have opened it with her on FaceTime, but I wanted the vibe. I wanted to record a video. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure I got a nice, genuine reaction to what the hell's in the box. So I had to wait 30 minutes for my mom to drive to my crib so we could open the packages. So I uploaded and shared the video of us opening the care packages as well to my TikTok. And if you didn't see it, we got robes, like T-Mobile robes. Now you probably already seen me wearing mine in my video because I do be wearing that shit all the time. Angel says I don't take it off. Also, we got some coloring books, which I also use the coloring book. We got candles. We got an aromatherapy like iHome, which I use every freaking day while I'm doing my yoga. We also ended up getting like a bath set. It came with like aromatherapy scents and candles, stuff like that, a bubble bath, and we also got the new beats. So I was really just kind of taken back. Like, I was so shocked that company would ever do something for me when I'm just doing what I normally do, you know? Like, girl, I was gonna use them free perks anyway, but thank you for even more free perks. So again, I was so shocked that I posted that video, and I obviously thanked them in the description of the video, whatever, in like in the caption, but I just felt like I had to reach out to them and thank whoever the hell sent me that box directly, because I was just so drawn back. It was such an amazing gift. I was so happy opening it. You opened it and the box started to sing to you. It was a happy moment. I was so thankful. So I just wanted to reach out and to thank somebody there who works for them. After I reached out to thank them, they said, of course, you know, thank you for so much for sharing what they had given to us. Then they hit me with, send us your email so that we can keep spoiling you. Okay, hashtag sugar daddy. Babe, it's on the way. Do you want two emails? Do you need the business and the personal email? I could do it all. So I don't know what y'all were thinking when I said that they was going to go back to spoiling, but the first thing I thought was it's time to start stalking the mailman again. You feel me? We need to be ready when he deliver the next package, baby, because I'm here to see what it is. Thank God this time they did give us a little bit of direction of when we could expect the package. They told us we could expect these blessings on Tuesday. That's all they had said. Okay, so me is out the window Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning comes and I am out the window, baby, looking, watching for the mailman. So here I am automatically under the impression that they're going to send us something in the mail and, you know, snail mail. But something was telling me, just, Noelani, go check your email. They wanted your email, go check your email. Y'all, when I tell y'all I opened my email and thought I was getting scammed, oh my God. So I don't think y'all understand that when I opened this freaking email and it said that there was a $500 gift card just waiting for me to be claimed from T-Mobile, like, fuck clenching my pearls, girl. My heart damn near fell out my ass. I was like, what the hell? Like, I'm clicking on it like, this isn't even real. You know what I'm saying? No way. So obviously the first thing I did was get on the phone with my mom and see if she got the same email, because I swear to y'all, for the first 30 minutes, I thought I was being scammed by somebody. She's the one that actually had to tell me, like, girl, it's real. You can go ahead, like, Get your gift card, claim that coin, sis. Now, obviously, I'm going to tell you guys what I got, but I also wanted to mention about how my mom got these funds too. And if y'all don't know, my mom runs her own business. It's called Soap and Stuff. I've put the link to her shop in my description. You can hit her up on Facebook or Instagram if you want to have anything created and purchased. But my mom works so hard on her business, and obviously running a small business is not cheap. And the fact that T-Mobile sent her this bread, y'all really don't understand how much this actually helped. Now she can put that money in. She put her money into making new products and things like that. So honestly, I really couldn't thank T-Mobile enough. Like, of course, giving me $500 is amazing, but giving it to my mom so that she can put it into her business was just, y'all really did make my day with that one. So thank you 1,000 times. I don't even know how to thank you enough. But continuing on, so it's basically like there's a $500 credit on a site where you could pick a gift card, and there's multiple kinds of gift card: Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, whatever you want. Obviously, we think smarter, not harder, so we got the Visa gift card so that we could shop wherever we wanted, because we ain't like to be limited, but we like options. So I obviously had to start by getting my son something, because the kids come first. So I got Houdini some Meow Nawana. It was really cute, and he really loved it. Come in, Gotti. Come in. What you need? Anyway, and then we got his brother some of his favorite balls, the Kong balls. They're like Kong tennis balls. They're like heavy duty, and they squeak. So the tennis balls, and they squeak, y'all. Troop loves them. All right, and we got him that and a new leash. Moving on. Then, we had to treat my love with some pre-workout, because, can't live without his pre. Then it was time to treat me. So I obviously got myself stuff from a bunch of places. I wanted to get a little bit of stuff so I could do YouTube content, and I wanted to get a little bit of stuff just because I wanted to get stuff. First, I ordered off Amazon, and I got me some sunglasses and this cute purse to match up one of my outfits. Actually, if you follow me on my Instagram, which you should be, you would have seen this cute lilac purse with a bow that I got off Amazon. Of course, I had to get something for my hair, so I got this wig spray. It's like a wig glue spray, and it's from the wig dealer. And I've been seeing ads about it for so long, and then I was like, you know what? It was like $10. Let me just cop it. I also got this eyeshadow palette that I use for this look, y'all. I've been looking for a new rainbow palette, and look at this. Oh, are you kidding me? Every shade and then some. So I got that from Beauty Bay, and I also got the pastel palette as well. Very cute, very pastel. Love those. So this actually has to be my favorite thing that I got. These freaking brushes. Are you kidding me? They're covered in crystals, babe. Babe, let's just get into them really quick, okay? These are gorgeous. All right, these are beautiful. I feel like these brushes need like a monument of their own. Like, I don't even want to put them with my regular brushes because they're just too beautiful. I really didn't even want to use them because they're too beautiful, but we're not going that far. But if y'all can't tell, these brushes are everything. Like, I feel so expensive just using them. Okay. I also went ahead and ordered myself a little bit of jewelry, from Etsy, because we love to support small businesses. No, I wanted to get some clothes, because what's a shopping spree without some clothes? But it's just like I couldn't find anywhere to shop. Like, I feel like everywhere that I was shopping, it's giving everybody shops there. So if y'all want to recommend some new shopping spots that y'all found or whatever in the comment section, that would be cool. I would really appreciate it. But I did end up getting a couple of pieces from Battyville, this shop on Instagram I really, really love. They do take a little while to ship sometimes, but totally worth it. Ooh, and I also copped a few things from AliExpress. They are bussin'. Mad cute. Everything I got from AliExpress is cute, and it was cheap as hell. Like, saved it back. And basically what I'm saying is make sure you're spoiling your girl as well as T-Mobile is spoiling me. Okay. And that is a look. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love. First off, I just want to mention that I do look really good, as usual. But anyway, I do want to take a quick moment to say thank you to T-Mobile from my mom and I, because y'all really did do a great job blessing us and spoiling us like y'all said you would. So thank you. Also, I hope y'all enjoyed my little story time. If you want more stories like this, definitely let me know in the comment section. I would love to share more stories with y'all. You guys are the best. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.